If you ask me, what are the 3 steps you could take right now to fast track your career, to become a successful, high-paying medical writer? This would be my answer. First, know your industry and know how to position yourself so that they need your service, they need your skills. Second, write content that speaks to your target audience, that engage them into taking an action. Content that's accurate, highly organized, fits the precise business need of your clients. And finally, have your portfolio ready so that anyone reaches out to you, you can send them your portfolio and show the expertise and the breadth of experience you have and show them what you can do for them. I believe by the end of this course, you are equipped to do all 3. You may always want to learn more, but remember, if you don't implement anything, the learning does not have much use. So while you are learning, which you will always be doing as a medical writer, don't forget to start implementing the actions, implementing your learnings. Use what you learned in module 1 and 2 to understand the industry and position your service. Use what you learned in the later modules to write faster, better, and create your portfolio. If any questions, any needs come up, you can write to me. You can connect me on LinkedIn. You can check my website and YouTube channel for more resources. Thanks for making me a part of your professional journey. More power to you.